Hi guys, this is Cheesage from Cheesage Top 5 Product Reviews. Today we're gonna talk about the top 5 mechanical keyboards you can find in Shopee under 1,700 pesos. You can find the links in the description below. So let's start! Starting from our top 5, which is the CPS K550 mechanical keyboard. It is a TKL keyboard that has blue switches. The keycaps are made from ABS plastic and the body is aluminum. And also this keyboard has RGB. However, this is a wired keyboard and also not hot swappable. On with our top 4, which is the Gigabyte K20 mechanical keyboard. This keyboard also has TKL form factor and also has blue switches, has an ABS keycaps with NK rollover and anti-ghosting. This keyboard also supports RGB that has 9 color modes. Also, this is a wired keyboard, therefore it can't connect to any Bluetooth wireless devices. And same with the last one, not hot swappable. And for the top 3, we have the Redragon K606R Lakshmi mechanical keyboard. This keyboard is a bit different from the other two because it has a 60% form factor or a 61 key form factor and has 2 variants of switches, such as the red and blue switches. It has RGB, double injected ABS keycaps. It also has a detachable Type-C cable. That this keyboard may have a detachable cable, but this keyboard is not wireless. Moving on with our top 2, which is the Gigabyte STK61 mechanical keyboard. This keyboard also has a 61 keys or 60% form factor, the same with the Lakshmi keyboard, and only has a red switch. But the main difference between the Lakshmi and the STK61 is that the STK61 has a dual mode, which is the wired mode and the wireless mode. Mode can be activated by using the FN plus tab keys. It can also pair up with 3 devices. It can either be desktops, laptops, mobile phones, or tablets. It also has a detachable Type-C cable. It is compatible with Windows and Mac. Also RGB with 12 RGB lighting effects. The battery can last up to 1000 mAh and has anti-ghosting and NK rollover. So that's it for the Gigabyte STK61 mechanical keyboard. And my top 1 pick in the best mechanical keyboards you can find in Shopee under 1,700 pesos is the Raklam ANG Light, which has a TKL form factor with anti-ghosting and NK rollover. It also has RGB and has over 16 million colors. The keycaps are ABS double injected keycaps with 1000 Hz polling rate. This keyboard also has a detachable Type-C cable. The main difference of this keyboard and why I put it in the top 1 is because of these features. This keyboard has a dedicated volume and brightness control, which we can find above the arrow keys, and a USB pass-through that can be seen above the top part of the keyboard. And out of all the keyboards that I mentioned in this video, only the Raklam ANG Light is the hot swappable keyboard. But it is only hot swappable with Otemo switches, and also it is not a wireless keyboard. So that's it for my top 5 mechanical keyboards under 1,700 pesos that you can find in Shopee. All links of the item will be in the description below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to Chisei Top 5 for more videos like this. Thank you and bye!